At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A focus chart is a nursing documentation tool that helps organize and record patient care in a clear, structured manner. It promotes effective communication among healthcare providers and supports better patient outcomes. This charting method uses the FDAR format, focus, data, action, and response, to ensure comprehensive and consistent documentation. Focus highlights the main issue or concern, such as a symptom, diagnosis, or patient need. Data includes both subjective, patient-reported, and objective, measurable findings like vital signs or lab results that support the identified focus. Action records the nursing interventions performed to address the focus, such as administering medication or providing education. Response describes the patient's reaction to those interventions, such as symptom changes or progress toward recovery. This method helps maintain detailed patient records and improves collaboration among the care team. Here are the essential steps for efficiently using and filling out a printable focus charting template for healthcare providers. Step 1. Download the template. Access the chart and record the date and time for each entry to track care accurately. Step 2. Identify the focus. Determine the primary issue to be documented based on the patient's condition or care plan. Step 3. Document interventions and describe patient response. Record nursing actions taken and describe the patient's response to evaluate intervention effectiveness. Step 4. Include collaborative actions and evaluate the care plan. Note any interdisciplinary efforts with other professionals and assess how well the care plan is working. Step 5. Review and store securely. Regularly review entries for accuracy and ensure patient information is stored safely and complies with privacy laws. The focus chart using the FDAR format is a structured and effective way to document nursing care. It supports clarity, promotes teamwork, and ensures patient care is thoroughly tracked and continuously improved. You can learn more about topics like the focus charting in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.